Parkin County, North Central Pike County in South Central Ohio, Southern Ross County in South Central Ohio, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:48 p.m. 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hocking Hills State Park, Star, Islesboro, Mooresville, Haydenville, Laurelville, South Bloomingville, Knockemstiff, Masseyville, Murray City, Union Furnace, Adelphi, Oroville, Carbon Hill, Bourneville, Gibbsonville, Lake Logan State Park, Summit Hill, Londonderry, and Logan. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area.